Yo, what's up, my YouTube fans? It's your boy, the Tech Baller, the one and only, on another incredible, lit-ass show. Woo! Now, before we start here and we start to get ready, guys, I've got a tremendous and amazing app I have to talk about. It's been making waves, it's insane, and the money, the money is out of this world. This app is called Watchback. Guys, I have used it. The paper is out of this world. And I have got to talk about it on the show today. This app, single-handedly, ever since activated, has literally made sweepstakes entries for every video that you watch. And I am telling you, once it enters you in, you can have a chance to win anywhere from $1 to up to $4,000 or more, depending on whatever the amount is that they have specified to win for that day. As long as you watch these videos, and I'm telling you guys, you need to make a PayPal account like yesterday when you're sitting up here using Watchback. We about to get into this show. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna explain a lot about it, and if you decide to take this opportunity, you will not regret it. Add it to your phone farm, add it to your devices, you know what I'm saying? Because this is something you want to get on like yesterday. Not now, but right now. Make this bad boy a part of your farming ritual and get Watchback added, because your earnings, right along with Perk TV and many of the others, it adds to it, and it is insanely good to get this one in. Trust me, guys, this is an earning opportunity you don't want to miss. Let's get into this swagness right now. Yeah, boy. My fans, time to explain about this ultimate app, Watchback. Now, as you can see, this is my amazing Watchback account. This is not a joke. This is not a game, guys. This app is monumental. Now, as long as you watch these amazing videos all throughout the day and you start them out, as you can see, it explains right up here in the upper left-hand corner. Playlist, diagonal view, conspiracy theories and mysteries and why. Now it says if you watch today, each video entry will put you in the playlist here. Yep. Each entry in this playlist has its own unique sweepstakes. This is not a joke. It literally will enter you in different sweepstakes. Each video chamber has its own sweepstakes options for you to get money. And as these ads play, here you have a chance of winning a lot of money throughout the day. And you got 60-second access stocks, you got access, you got channel, you got college humor, you got Japanese anime. So much to choose from. Even gaming, that has their own unique sweepstakes option. Everything does. And this is something you're going to want to explore and see what works for you all throughout the day. Whatever you have time to stream, it can get you paid in all kinds of ways. So I say, take the opportunity, take some time, look over which ones you want to stream, and then go for that so you can have an opportunity to get this money. It's not a joke. It's easy. I've been doing it all day. And look at this. This stuff, check it out. Sweepstakes options. Here you go. Enter daily. Look at this. Watchback sweepstakes. Weekly watchback. Enter to win $4,000 in value when you watch any video. Max of 10 entries per person per day. You get details you can win. One random weekly winner receives $4,000 within that week. Can you believe it? $4,000. Completing one video equals one entry. One person cannot enter with multiple accounts. Now make sure that you guys take a look at that. One equals one entry. One person cannot enter with multiple accounts. So this device, just keep watchback on it, but keep one account. Then it says daily watchback sweepstakes. You can enter to win anywhere from 1,250 points to 650 or 50 points when you match any video, max of 10 entries per person. You got 300 random daily winners will receive 1,250 points. 5,500 random daily winners will receive 650 points. 20,000 random daily winners will receive 50 points. And you have one prize per person per day. Completing one video equals one entry. One person cannot enter with multiple accounts. And that's kind of how they have it set up. But it also says featured episode sweepstakes. Enter $100 in value for watching each featured episode. One entry per person per episode. And for each episode, 10 random winners receive $100 in value. Completing a featured episode equals one entry. One person cannot enter with multiple accounts. Each episode sweepstakes end date closes at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. All prizes redeemable on watchback.com. And the next one, enter to win $5, $100, or $1,000 in value for watching Top Chef, episode 1601. 500 random winners win $5 in value. 10 random winners win $100 in value. One random winner receives $1,000 in value. Max entry, one per person. Completing the episode equals one entry. And one person can't enter with multiple accounts. One prize per person. All prizes are redeemable on Watchback. It's pretty cool, guys. This app is fire, and I'm telling you, go on ahead and get involved. You got promotional video sweepstakes too. And there's just so much. Same rules apply. Now, I'm telling you, this is my referral code. If you guys want to use it, by all means, it's B8 9A A8D05. So please take advantage of this code. This is something you are going to want to experience right away. It's beast mode, guys. This app is too fire not to use. This is your boy, the Tech Baller, signing off. I hope you've learned a lot today. If you really think that this is something you want to do, give it all the glory. It is amazing. Peace, guys. And thanks for watching my show yet again. Oh, also, fans, one last detail. Your unique code, I have to explain about this. If your code is displayed at all in the featured little portion up here, then you've already won the contest. That is another thing I want to explain to you. If your code, that unique code, is displayed, you've already won the money. Just know about that, okay, guys? Again, this is the Tech Baller signing off. Peace. Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, the Tech Baller, and he's on another lit-ass show. Woo! Yeah! It's time to get it, y'all. Y'all ready to get it?